Hello kids, let's make some 2D shapes. Let's start. Triangle, it has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And this is a red color. Now this is a square shape and it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a light green color. This shape is circle. It has no sides. And this is a purple color. This shape is hexagon. It has 6 sides and this is a yellow color. This shape is a star. It has 5 sides and this is an orange color. This shape is pentagon. It has 5 sides and this is a sky blue color. This is a heart shape and this is a light pink color. This is an oval shape. It has no side and this is a brown color. This is a rhombus. It has 4 sides and this is a light blue color. Let's learn the shape again. This is a triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon, heart, oval shape, and a rhombus. Wow, colorful 2D shapes. Bye-bye.
Wow.
See you next time.